For today's CRAFTMAS, we are going to be painting this little truck. My brother-in-law has a truck, so I wanted to paint it to kind of look like his. I'm going to put their family name on here, and it's going to be part of their Christmas gift. So let's get started painting this, and then we're going to DIY a little decal to throw on there. Now this is from the Dollar Tree, so just something super cute to grab. We're going to just cut this off because we can tie our own ribbon on here. That matches. Throw that out. Okay, so we're gonna go in with some blue. I don't know if this is quite the blue that I'm going for. It could work. Ooh, we're making a mess now. I'm not wearing the clothes to be painting. Honestly, it's actually a pretty good shade match, so we're gonna go ahead and just paint it. Apparently it wasn't even filming that entire time, so that's lovely, but it's okay. You didn't miss much. I've literally just been painting, making a mess. I'm like an old person when it comes to technology. Like I always forget to hit record or accidentally delete things. Like people always joke that I'm like an old woman. Okay, whenever I do painting like signs or anything, I always like to get the edges. I feel like it just makes a difference when it's painted, especially when it's like a sign that's going to be up. So I do my best to paint the edges as well. Just feel like it gives it more of like that complete look. Just want to make sure to get all the edges of everything nice and painted. Okay, awesome. Now this paint dries really quickly, so do these little wood signs, so that's nice little feature. We're gonna try to get the paint strokes to be the same direction. Awesome. Okay, we're gonna let this dry now. We're gonna paint the tires, and then the truck also has like a black streak across the bottom of it, so I'm gonna try to like replicate that because it's like a key feature of the truck. As always, we're gonna paint the edges of it as well. Get that black tire. Especially I feel like for like tires and stuff, like you want to make sure you're painting it all when you're trying to create that effect, if that makes sense. Okay, let's wipe some of that paint away. I can just wipe this all off the table later too, so it's not a big deal if it kind of gets on the table. Okay, looks like we got it all. So now we're gonna try to, once this dries, replicate with the black. In the meantime, we're gonna go in with the green and work on the tree. So, a little bit of green into the pot and add that in there. What are y'all doing for Christmas? Do you all go to someone's house in your family? Do you stay home? Do you still have kids that are, you know, at home, or do they come back for Christmas to visit? We usually all go to my parents' house. I mean, obviously now we have our own families, so some years people go elsewhere. My in-laws don't live in the same province as us, so either way we wouldn't see them at Christmas time, unfortunately, just because it's too expensive for us to fly over there. And with the weather in Canada, you cannot really drive over there just because it's not very safe to cross over there where we are. But yeah, so we kind of just go to my parents' house usually, do like dinner and presents and all that stuff, like games, and it's really fun. What do y'all do? Cool. So I tried to do like an effect with the tree. I will go in with a little bit of another green just to add some color and dimension to it afterwards. We're going to let that dry, all of this dry, and then we're going to come back and work on the detailing. This is the issue when you're filming on multiple cameras. You forget to freaking press play for like the 30th time. You had one job. Press play. Nope, can't even do that apparently. But it looks so cute. Then I went ahead once it was fully dry and I wanted to add just some ribbon to make it cute. It did originally have that twine on it, but I wanted it to have more of like, I guess, an elegant look. Now you could totally add some HTV, heat transfer vinyl, or iron-on onto the ribbon. I have done that previously, so if you want a video knowing how to do that, it's really easy. It works really great for personalized gifts, especially for Christmas or Secret Santa. I didn't do that with this because I wanted it to be super simple and really kind of accentuate the name on the truck, but I love how cute this turned out. This is a perfect Secret Santa gift or stocking stuffer, and I'm just so excited to give this to them. Make sure you subscribe for more crafty tips, and I'll see you in the next CRAFTMAS video. Happy crafting, bye!